What's the difference between our organization based on the modern concept, Western concept, and the organization based on Bayah? What's the difference, basic difference? In the common concept of organizations or parties, they start from members, from beneath, from the grassroots level. This is the basic membership. Now the members have the right to elect their Amir. And the members have the right to elect their Shura or consultative committee or some executive committee. And now there will be some formula how the authority will be distributed and divided among the Amir and the executive committee, or whatsoever you call it, managing committee. This is the basic question in all the organizations. Now here in this concept, if some decision has been taken and you disagree, the natural logical result is that you should push your point. You should try to gather more votes so that your point of view is accepted. And this is absolutely logical because you sincerely believe in your point of view. The decision taken, although it has been taken according to the rules and regulations of the party, according to the constitution, but you disagree. You think that this is going to do harm to the party, to the cause for which the party has been established. So there, it's logical for you to contact the members, go to convert them to your opinion. Then now we have majority. So now our point of view should be accepted. Now this party, there will always be going on this dissension and this, canvassing to each other's point of view. And this is basically the weakness of the party. A revolutionary party can't afford this type of dissensions and among the members, this type of groupings and trying to convince each other and then, changing the decisions. This is actually not compatible with the concept of a revolutionary party. But what happens in a party based on bay'ah? Well, we have given bay'ah to this person that we shall obey him. The only limitation is that it shouldn't exceed or transgress the limits of the Sharia. And this is our right, not only right but duty, to give our sincere opinion. When we have given our sincere opinion, we have done our duty. Now it's up to him to take the decision. And once he takes the decision, we have to obey. Fil manshate wal makrah. Whether we agree with it or not, we have to obey. Whether we feel inclined to do it or we have to force ourselves to do it, we have to obey. And actually, I had done my duty when I expressed my opinion, sincere opinion. Now after that, the decision rests with the Amir. He will take the decision and we shall obey. The only limitation on the authority of the Amir is that the decision that he makes shouldn't transgress the limit on the Sharia.